Hello guys, el día de hoy estuvimos trabajando con la página número 99, page 99 de nuestro libro. And the first thing, we're going to listen to the audio and decide what does she buy? ¿Qué compró ella? What does she buy? Pears, bananas, apples. So let's listen. Vamos a escucharlo. Y anotamos qué fue lo que compró.
Excuse me.
Yes. Can I help you?
Yes. Do you have any bananas, please?
Of course. How many would you like?
I'd like 5, please. And I'd like some pears, too.
I'm sorry. We don't have any pears.
Okay. Can I have some apples, please?
Sure. How many would you like?
7, please.
5 bananas and 7 apples. Anything else?
No, thank you. How much is that?
That's $4.80, please. Thank you. That's 20 cents change.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Ok, ahí escucharon qué fue lo que compró nuestra amiguita. Y después dice, listen again, who says what. Use a letter C for customer, SP for salesperson, or V, both. Customer es la persona que va a comprar. Salesperson, la persona que les vende en la tienda. Both, si los dos utilizaron esa frase, ¿ok? Y los van a colocar en esta línea, dependiendo qué es lo que escuchen. Lo pueden escuchar nuevamente el audio y escribirlo ahí. Después, activity number 4, dice read and answer the questions. Math zone. Dice, James buys 6 apples. He gives half of his apples to Amy. How many apples does Jim have left? Number 2, Emma buys 10 toy cars from the toy store. She gives 2 to her best friend and 1 to her little brother. How many cars does Emma have left? Ok, aquí hay que restar, hay que hacer esa subtraction para saber el resultado. Ok, sorry. Entonces, vamos a terminar esta página, que eso fue lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de hoy. Nos vemos el día de mañana. See you tomorrow, Wednesday. Bye, bye.